Guys, how you doing, and welcome to another video. Today we're going to be searching for a defender on Topskick on my iPad for our Champions League Dream Team. And with me I've got Noah. Say hello.
Hello.
Hello. Ronnie, you said that you want him to be in more videos, didn't you? So he is. Right, today we've got these Christmas decorations up, and they're going to be up until January, I don't know. And you can see them, and they'll be part of the quick for a while.
I have time for every video, right?
Just so if you didn't hear that, he said, I have time for every video, Ronnie. So on Topskick, no, move your foot out of the way. We're going to be opening one. I don't know what he's laughing about, really. No, you're too close to the camera. Yeah, right. So we're going to be opening one payday pack. Champions League payday pack, and hopefully we can get something good. Here it is. It's the final countdown.
Raheem Sterling.
Raheem Sterling. That's like the 5th time we've got him. 40. Right. Gustavo. Did you see that fire now? Yeah. Good. Fabinho. Hulk. That's like the 3rd time I've got him now. That's Fabregas. Yes. Sweet. Chesney. No, I moved the.
I just kissed my brother's cheek.
Here we've got Leno.
That's
Yeah, I know Jonas. And that's it. Let's just go through who we got. We got Jonas, Leno. Stop flicking me now. Veloso, I think that is. Chesney, 2 goalkeepers in 1 back. Fabregas, Chelsea. Come on. Hulk, Gavinho, Luis Gustavo, Garaya, I don't know.
Garaya.
And Raheem Sterling. That's their pack. Stop flicking me, Noah. So sorry, guys. You might stop being on videos if you keep on acting up like that. I'm so sorry.
Bye, guys. Bye, guys. Bye, guys. Thank you for deleting this video. Bye, guys. Thank you for watching this video.
If you enjoyed it, give it a like and subscribe so you don't miss any more of my videos. And
Subscribe for more videos. Bye, guys. Thank you for watching this video.
if you enjoyed it, give it a like and subscribe so you don't miss any more of my videos.
Bang.